Yes, thank you. Welcome to another class. This is a chemistry class. You're welcome, colleagues. When you look at this solution here, it is a blue solution, and always a blue solution we expect copper, though copper sometimes appears to be green in a solid state, and also some compound of copper are blue in color. So here we have a solution which is blue. We're going to look at the reaction of copper, that is a solution of copper to iron. We have to look at the reaction of copper to iron with the sodium hydroxide. Now, copper to iron always react with the sodium hydroxide to form a blue precipitate, and this blue precipitate does not dissolve on excess addition of copper to iron. That is an excess addition of sodium hydroxide. It does not dissolve to always give us a blue precipitate which is insoluble. So let us try to look at the reaction. I'm going to divide some small portion so that we use only the small portion during the reaction. And this is my solution of copper to iron. I'm going to use the sodium hydroxide so that we'll find out how the sodium hydroxide react with copper to iron. This is my solution of copper, that is a solution of sodium hydroxide. If I'm to add to a solution of copper to iron, let us check it carefully. When you look at this, the solution is becoming thick, meaning there is a formation of a precipitate. When you add this one until in excess, the blue precipitate does not dissolve. This is what we call as a blue precipitate. It is insoluble in excess sodium hydroxide. So this is a blue precipitate which is insoluble, confirming the presence of copper to iron, meaning the solution contain copper to iron. So this is basically the reaction of copper to iron with the sodium hydroxide. When you add sodium hydroxide solution to a solution that contain copper to iron, there shall always be formation of a blue precipitate which is insoluble in excess sodium hydroxide. However much you add the sodium hydroxide to which quantity, and the precipitate does not dissolve. This precipitate is due to the formation of copper 2 hydroxide, which is insoluble in excess sodium hydroxide, or it is basically insoluble in sodium hydroxide solution. Thank you.